Hello friends, today we are solving first unique number question which came today only in the LeetCode 30 days challenge. So in this you are given a queue of integer, you need to retrieve the first unique integer in the queue. So you need to implement the first queue unique class. First unique class we must implement this three operation in the first unique class. There is a one constructor which initializes the elements of the array in the queue. Show first unique uh, displays the first unique element from the queue. Void add value inserts the value in the queue. So the thing is like suppose this is the initial first unique object of first unique class was created with this 235 with the array 235. So first unique dot show first unique must return 2 since the 2 is the first element, it is not repeated. Again first unique dot add 5, now the queue will be 2355. Again first unique dot show first unique, 2 is unique, 2 is not repeated, it will return true 2. First unique dot add 2, now 23552. Now first unique dot show first unique will return 3 since 2 is repeated. Now 3 is the first element which is not repeated. Again first unique dot add 3, the queue is now 235523. So nothing is like everything is repeated in this array, so it will return -1. Like this we need to implement. So if we think on solving this, so we can think of linked hash map for this since it can maintain the order. And what we can do is like it is having key and value. On the key section we will put the values of the arrays, and in the values section we will put the occurrence of the element. So I have created a map of integer map. So I have created a linked hash map. So now we need to put the values in the linked hash map. So instead of doing checking whether it contains value, I will be doing in the one way only. So map dot put I map dot get or default. So what it is like, it will get if present, it will get value of I if present, if not it will put 0 which is a default in it, plus 1. So after execution of this for loop, the map will be having all the values of numbers, and every value will have the how many times it is repeated in the array. So again now show first unique, what we need to do is like we need to return the first unique element. So what we can think of, we will iterate the linked hash map. Linked hash map is the ordered way, so it will start from first. So for first we will check whether the value part of this map is 1. If it is 1 means it is not repeated, and we will just return, and we will iterate all the numbers in the linked hash map. If it is like nothing is present, then nothing is like 1, then we will return -1. So what we can do is int I, so map dot key set, okay, if I dot get, if map dot get I equals 1, return I. If nothing like that is present, return -1. So in order to add the values, what we will do, map dot put value as the key. So value, spelling mistake, my wrong. So map dot put or map dot get or default. If this value is present in map, it will be increased by 1, else only 1 will be put. So I comma 0 plus 1. Let's see whether it gets executed or not. There is a compile time error where it is variable I. Okay, sorry, it should be value. So let's execute again. We are not doing it in IDE, so it might happen. Yes, it is putting the correct result. You can see null to null to null, and it is expecting the same. Let's submit it. Yes, it is getting accepted. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.